Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Apple launched their iPhone 12 series in the 2020, but now rumors is coming with the iPhone 13. The iPhone 13 mini prototype photography is here, with the two cameras are now laid out diagonal. Last week we have seen a render of the iPhone 13 mini, which showed a slightly redesigned camera with the two lenses in a diagonal arrangement instead of one over the other. The last week, a hand-on photo of the prototype mini showed just that, the same design and a leans creationally to the renders. Note that the just a prototype. Apple is month away from starting mass production of the upcoming iPhone 13 series, so the design is not set in stones. In comparison does settle on the design, it will most likely carry over the larger iPhone 13 as well. This can be seen in the CAD based render by the Zelix 7 and Epica 2. Also from last week, the 2 Pro model will probably remain unchanged, however, as they have to fit 3 cameras in their squarish plus slider. Everything Apple Pro has made a video about the iPhone 13 mini and a Pro Max and design, and even 3D printed dummies. Anyway, the reason for the new layout maybe fit a larger sensor, and by the sound of it, the camera bump on the entire iPhone 13 series will get thicker. According to some rumors, the iPhone 13 mini will settle use 5.4-inch and the body size is exactly the same the iPhone 12 mini, but Apple will use new technology to increase the battery capacity to improve the battery life of the upcoming iPhone 13 mini. So this is the latest news about the upcoming Apple latest smartphone, the iPhone 13 mini, which will launch in this year. And let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for the upcoming iPhone 13 series? And also like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.